Looking for the best smartwatch on AliExpress in 2026? Whether you need a rugged outdoor companion, advanced health tracking, GPS sports features, or even a mini Android smartphone on your wrist, we've rounded up 5 incredible smartwatches that deliver impressive features at affordable prices. In this video, we'll cover their specifications, highlight the pros and cons, and help you decide which smartwatch is worth your money. So without further delay, check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Large screen 4G, 5G Android smartwatch with camera. Taking the top spot is arguably the most powerful smartwatch on this list. Featuring Android 10, a huge 2.4-inch AMOLED display, Wi-Fi, GPS, 4G, 5G connectivity, and a 900-watt rotating camera, it's practically a smartphone on your wrist. Android 10 operating system, 2.4-inch AMOLED display, 4G, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi and GPS, rotating camera, large memory configuration, app installation support. This device goes beyond the capabilities of traditional smartwatches. Thanks to Android 10, users can install apps, browse the web, and enjoy smartphone-like functionality directly from the wrist. Pros: huge AMOLED display, Android operating system, 4G, 5G support, Wi-Fi and GPS, rotating camera, smartphone-level features. If you're looking for the ultimate smartwatch experience and want smartphone capabilities in a wearable device, this Android smartwatch is easily the most powerful choice on our list. Number 2. 1.75-inch AMOLED Health Smartwatch with ECG plus PPG. This feature-packed smartwatch takes health tracking even further with ECG and PPG sensors, body analysis, NFC support, and Bluetooth calling. 1.75-inch HD AMOLED display, ECG and PPG monitoring, blood oxygen and blood pressure tracking, uric acid and body analysis functions, NFC support, Bluetooth calling. The large display makes navigating menus easy, and the broad range of health metrics makes this one of the most feature-rich watches on the list. Pros: large AMOLED display, advanced wellness features, NFC support, Bluetooth calling, premium appearance. If you want a smartwatch loaded with health and lifestyle features without spending a fortune, this is a fantastic option. Number 3. 2026 ECG smartwatch with health monitoring. Health-conscious users will appreciate this smartwatch, which offers ECG monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, blood pressure tracking, and body composition analysis. HD AMOLED display, ECG function, blood oxygen monitoring, blood pressure tracking, body fat analysis, Bluetooth calling, sports modes. This watch packs plenty of health features into an affordable package. The AMOLED screen looks great, and Bluetooth calling adds convenience. Important note: health measurements provided by smartwatches are intended for fitness and wellness purposes and should not replace professional medical devices or medical advice. Pros: comprehensive health tracking, AMOLED display, Bluetooth call support, stylish design, multiple sports modes. This model offers a great balance of health features and everyday smart functions for users focused on wellness. Number 4. GPS AMOLED Sports Smartwatch with 650 mAh battery. Next up is a professional sports smartwatch featuring built-in GPS, a vibrant AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, and 3 ATM waterproof protection. AMOLED screen, built-in GPS, 650 mAh battery, fitness and heart rate tracking, Bluetooth calls, 3 ATM waterproof. Built-in GPS is a major advantage for runners, cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts. It allows accurate route tracking without carrying your smartphone. Pros: integrated GPS, excellent sports functions, good battery life, bright AMOLED display, lightweight design. For active users and athletes, this smartwatch delivers impressive tracking capabilities and strong overall value. Number 5. 2026 new 1400 mAh outdoor sports smartwatch. This rugged smartwatch is designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. It features a bright 1.7-inch AMOLED display, dual-color flashlight, Bluetooth calling, heart rate monitoring, and an impressive 10 ATM waterproof rating. But what really stands out is its massive 1400 mAh battery. 1.7-inch AMOLED display, huge 1400 mAh battery, dual-color flashlight, Bluetooth voice calls, heart rate and fitness tracking, swimming support, 10 ATM waterproof. If battery life is your biggest concern, this watch is hard to beat. The rugged design and excellent water resistance make it perfect for hiking, camping, and outdoor sports. Pros: massive battery capacity, bright AMOLED display, 10 ATM waterproof, built-in flashlight, Bluetooth calling support. And that's our list of the top 5 best smartwatches on AliExpress in 2026. Hopefully this video helped you find the perfect smartwatch for your lifestyle and budget. All product links are available in the description below, so feel free to check them out for more details and the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming reviews and top tech picks. Also, let us know in the comments which smartwatch was your favorite, or if there's another amazing wearable that deserves a spot on our next list. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.